I opted in for the co-op program because I did not have a pathway into any companies that would be willing to hire me as a millwright apprentice. It's an amazing way to get your foot in the door. The program is amazing, but the co-op is just one step up.
Going into it, I had no trades hands-on experience, so I started from ground zero. I had nothing. The program really offered everything. All I needed to do was show up and be willing to try and learn and try my best.
I've worked with various Mohawk College students before, and the thing I like about them is how job ready they are. All we have to teach them is like the specific stuff, specific policies in food safety for Ferrero.
Mohawk gives a basis for those skills. They teach the basics of what you need for pneumatics, hydraulics, fabrication, and understanding of how a machine works. And that is gold when you show up at the job.
Willingness to learn is definitely one of the most important things, and the ability to be open to other ideas as well as collaborating with others, because a lot of it, sometimes you just need to bounce an idea off somebody.
I would definitely recommend working at Ferrero. If you have the opportunity to apply, apply. You don't have anything to lose by applying. And if you get in, it is an amazing career.
I would recommend this to anybody who wants to become a millwright and have a great employer at that. Like, this place has been nothing but spectacular.
It is one big family, and they've definitely opened their arms and welcomed us in very easily. Every place I've been in, everybody's always been very welcoming, whether they're aware that I'm a co-op student or not. They still treat me with the same amount of respect as everybody else and are willing to tell me something if I don't understand it.
I started as a machine operator here, and from there they saw my technical skills, they appreciated it, and they offered me an apprenticeship. This is a place where I've started my career, and my career keeps going on. This is a fantastic place to work, and there's always room to grow here.